Uniswap may decline 4.8% by April 21, 30 rates reports. First, here's what the recent market picture looks like. At this time, Uniswap has fallen 0.5% and is positioned around $3.275. Let's jump into analyst predictions now. 30 rates expects the price to land around $3.118 by April 21, showing a potential reduction of 4.8%. Digital coin price expects Uniswap to retreat to $3.26, a projected drop of about 0.5%. Coin price forecast highlights the possibility of testing $3.29, marking a gain near 0.4%. A different forecast from Coin Dataflow notes Uniswap could head upward to $3.30, about 0.7% above current levels. And to end, Gov Capital Collector sees the price reaching $3.458 by April 21, which is 5.6% higher. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. That completes the 5 analyst views. Let's continue. We've seen the forecasts. Now let's look at the forecast metrics. Based on current forecasts, we might see changes from a decline of 4.8% to an increase of 5.6%. From this, we can see Gov Capital Collector holding the top forecast with 5.6% gain in value by April 21. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $4 and $56 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, coin price forecast has the greatest likelihood of being correct at 92.5%. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. The consensus projection keeps Uniswap around $3.285 with little movement. Here's the full picture. The consensus view suggests a 0.3% gain in price by tomorrow. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $3 in return. So the chance of the consensus forecast on Uniswap playing out stands close to 92.8%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. 30 rates highlights that Uniswap could slide lower. Also, digital coin price believes the chart points to a decline. Coin price forecast believes Uniswap is on track to rise further. Coin Dataflow highlights building pressure to the downside. For the next few days, Gov Capital Collector believes the market will stay stable with volatility contained. The consensus view outlines Uniswap on a declining track over the next 3 days. Bringing these perspectives together, the majority expect Uniswap to decline. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. As a result, the day closed with the price at $3.23. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up on the right side of the move. From an accuracy standpoint, Gov Capital Collector was the closest. Now we'll sort out the results in detail. The actual daily move captured none of the predictions. For ROI, part of the group finished in profit with the strongest outcome at 6.8%. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview. All forecasts fact-checked. The table includes CoinCodex with 91.1% forecast probability, $0.21 accuracy, and 6.8% ROI. Look at the performance. Who seems to have captured the trend most clearly? Here's how Uniswap measures up against the forecasted gains for tomorrow across other cryptocurrencies. At 5th place sits Uniswap, while Aave currently shows 2% potential gain. Currently, Uniswap is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full list with many more will appear soon on my website and Telegram. We're done for today. Make sure you're subscribed for the next forecast updates. Until next time.